All right, friends, good morning. We're up bright and early. It is currently 5:16. I just got to the spot. Today we are solo riding it for the morning. My dad is going to join me later. I'm super excited to have him out here and fish with me. I built some things today. It's pretty dark still. I wasn't expecting the cloud cover to kind of keep everything so dark so early in the morning. It got super early start, like I said. So yeah, I'll do my best to film this beginning part and like setting up the boat because, like I said, it's so dark. It's insane. But yeah, full moon. We got decent tide coming in a little later today, so we're gonna be on an incoming tide all morning. I think it's just starting to come in like now, and it'll be going in until about 11:30 today. And that's when it peaks. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking the boat out of the harbor ideally. I do have this, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is a floating bait tank that I kind of made, and I'm super excited to be able to try to use this, and I will show you guys some of the stuff. But yeah, solo for the morning. My dad's joining me around 8 or 9, and we're gonna go from there and see if we can get on some fish. We're still after the goal of getting a legal fish to bring home, cook up. We'll do a catch and cook if we get one. But yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for joining me. Please take a minute to like and subscribe. I really appreciate when you guys do that. My videos are doing better. I'm starting to see some growth and some following being on there, so I really appreciate all you guys are doing so far. But yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna do my best to try to film this whole situation this morning, and hope you guys enjoy it. But, you know, it's all about the fun of fishing and getting out here, and like I said, super early in the morning, so still kind of waking up. Sorry if I'm a little out of it. But yeah, thanks, and stay tuned. Alright guys, I just want to point out real quick that in some of the next videos that you see, there might be some weird technical issues. I've had to brighten all of these videos, so just keep that in mind when you guys are watching if there's any weird sort of glitches or errors. But thank you, and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright man, it is so dark you can't see a thing. Alright, ideally I can blow this up and make it lighter for you guys, but you can see how dark it really is. Alright, when I snap my fingers, this is going to be done. Done. But let's show you guys what I've been building lately. So I got a little bit creative, and I figured I was always trying to tie off and that kind of thing, just the boat's so light and it drifts around. So I went ahead and made one of these, just a clamp, little bungee cord right there. So hopefully the idea is this. Be able to clamp onto something pretty easy. Nice little clamp. It'll be able to hold the boat and hold me where I need to be. Also, made one of these guys. Tackle box. All the important, pertinent stuff, information, rod holders, and even one for trolling. So, we'll see how well this works today as we test it out. We shall see. Goes and fits right in there, and then the rods will stay. Went ahead and created one of these as a bait bucket so that all my stuff fit nice and easily. All the bait will go in there. It's got a bunch of holes, floats, again another little bungee so I can toss it off the side and it won't drift away. But yeah, let's go get her in the water. Alright, now she won't drift away. Alright, low tide, boat's ready to go. Car is parked and locked. Everything ready. Let's get started. Hopefully, gonna be a good day today. Good morning from Newport Beach. Alright guys, I just want to talk about this lure that I used for this day. It actually outperformed the live bait that we had, and it's actually from the guys from Reaper Slow Pitch. They did an incredible job making this thing super durable, and like I said, outfished everything else that we used for that day. So I'll include all the information about them in the link below, and I highly recommend you guys go check it out. We are out here. Boat is launched. We are prepped, ready to go. Ideally, we'll have some bait here in about 15 minutes. Gonna head offshore a little bit, see what action we can't make happen. For a spot at the bait barge and throw in the Reaper Slow Pitch 15 gram. Look what I just got. Little itty bitty baby halibut. Nice start to the morning though. Quick, easy. Not bad. Quick little easy doormat. There you go. First fish of the day. I start with a small little heli. Back you go, buddy. Hell yeah, I've been excited. I wanted to try these slow pitch jigs for a while. This is the 15 gram. Let's see if I can get a camera to focus on it. But yeah, a little bit of glow in the dark on that guy. He works well, apparently. Nice start to the morning. Cool, I'm still waiting for the bait barge. It should be ready in a few minutes. The Patriot just got there, so maybe longer than a few minutes. But yeah, stay tuned. I was watching a bunch of bait kind of jump and bust up right on the edge of this rock. I'll show it once I get a little bit closer. But yeah, I mean, just watching that bait bust up and jump is always a good thing to look out for. A lot of times you can catch some fish right on the edge of it, and I'll show it to you right now. So this is where I was fishing, just right off the edge of that rock right there, just casting out, letting it float down to the bottom and flutter like these jigs are supposed to do. And then from there, just kind of pitching my rod tip up and letting it slow fall, and got hit on the fall just like these guys are supposed to. Oh, yep, another one, damn. This one feels bigger for sure. It's definitely a halibut. Like, this thing is not fighting like a big one. Oh, another small little guy. Yeah, hell yeah, 2 fish this morning. This guy's a little tiny bit bigger than the last one. Let's get him in the boat. Oh, there he goes, perfect. Gone, 2 fish down. It's a good morning. Yeah, thank you guys all again for watching these videos and supporting me with a like. A couple of subscribers coming lately, and that's been it's been nice to feel. Obviously, this is very much a solo YouTube channel. I'm just starting, touched some videography and photography stuff. But yeah, this fishing side of things, I love fishing. Always have since I was a kid. So it's nice that I can get some support here and doing something I freaking love, man. Like, it's a beautiful thing to be able to get out, get on some fish, and just have a beautiful day and a beautiful morning. And it's really, really hard to beat a just good fishing day. Also, this Reaper Slow Pitch, I met the guy down at one of those fishing tackle meet things, and he's an amazing man. You should check him out. Great dude, really nice, really sweet. Hooked me up too. Like, I just had him pick his favorites for me and didn't really give him any instruction besides, I want you to pick out some that you think you would use, and that's what he gave me. I just suggested the 10 and the 15 gram because I do a lot of harbor stuff, and he's got some bigger things as well. Ideally, I'd like to head out of the harbor, but man, if we're having this much success this quick here, it's hard to say no to that. Oh, nice sand bass. All right, 3 fish on the jig this morning. Live bait, not so much. Oh, there goes my rod. This feels big. This feels pretty damn big. Oh. Yeah, this is a big one. Hopefully a Hallie. Oh. Oh yeah, this is a big fish. Let's go. Oh, I can see color. Yeah, big Hallie. Oh, this is a doormat. I don't know if it's legal, but it's gonna be damn close. Oh my God, barely hooked too. Fuck. What do I do with those pliers? Right there. Holy shit. Oh, he's hooked good too. Come on, baby. Bring it over. Oh. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Come here. Come to Papa. All right, touch leader. Counts as a caught fish. Give me a good old splashing. Oh, yes. And there goes the hook. Hell yeah. Woohoo!
Oh, nice, bro.
That might be a keeper.
Yeah, you think?
Maybe, dude. Honestly.
You want a photo from the side?
If you can, man, that'd be fucking awesome.
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
I don't even know where my phone is.
Yeah, just hold them up. I'll take pictures.
Let me get a measure, too.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, I was gonna head out of the harbor, but if its bite is this good, I saw you catch it, I'm like, maybe I'll throw it in first.
No keepers, but a lot of fun.
Oh, God. Well, it's 22, right? It's either 21 or 22, but I'm not gonna keep it unless he's well over 22. Oh, he's just under. He's 20 and a half.
Oh, very nice catch, though.
Thanks, man. Do you want to use some of my bait? Do you have like another rod?
No, I've just got the one. I don't have the license for the second rod either.
Oh, you don't? Damn. If you want to use some of the bait, dude, this is way more than I'm gonna need.
Oh, is it live bait?
Yeah, live bait right here.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, let me get hooked up.
Woo!
Give me a second, then.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Damn, dude, so close, but hold on. Oh, you got a photo, right?
Yeah, I got the photos.
Thanks, man.
A little blurry.
On it. Doing good this morning. I don't even know how many fish we got, but we got a decent amount. Freelance is pulling up. Gave some bait to that kid. Looks like he is enjoying his day. I just watched a man pull up like a 28-inch halibut. This thing is insanely big. Yeah, we're just gonna get back over here, drift again. Nice white sea bass again. Dude, these aren't even getting to the bottom. These fish are hitting it immediately. Little boat flip. There it goes. Oh, now we're getting something. Feels like a bass. Bigger though. Oh, nice little halibut. Oh, there's another one in the boat. What? Hey, small. a little one. We need a bigger one. A little baby halibut. Okay, buddy. Okay, okay, okay. You're fine. Nice. Okay. Oh, I got something different. Is this a mackerel? I got a mackerel. Now that. Something I could throw on. Oh my God, you're so slimy. Oh, you managed to swallow that hook, great. There you go. Little nice little mackerel right there, throwing back. Gone. Oh, white sea bass. Let's fucking go. This feels bigger. It's pulling me around a little bit. Oh. How's it going? It's a decent sized one. Yeah, there's no way he's that big, but. Oh yeah, they do. You got one? There you go. Nice size white sea bass. He's got a bigger one. They're here. White sea bass fishing. Okay, come on. Look at that. Nice little stinky guy. You. What? White sea bass. No, the real message is I need to. Fishing is fun. I fucking love this. I'm having so much fun right now. But I'm more excited than anything to ideally get on a decent sized one. Holy shit. Oh. These things fight so damn hard. What is the size? 28 for these? Damn, this might be my personal best. Just spitting up all the bait. Oh, come on. This might be legal. No way. God damn. Whew, white sea bass. Let's get it. Almost took my rod in with him. All right. This has got to be my PB white sea bass. There's no doubt about it in my mind. No, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. All right, personal best white sea bass. Let's get a measure. There we go. Ew! Look at that. All right, let's get a quick measure before this guy kicks it. These guys are notorious for dying quickly. About 18 inches. All right, let's get him back in the water. You guys get to watch him swim away this time. Come on, buddy. There he goes. There he goes, right back down. Let's go! White sea bass, PB now. All right, just got that big ass white sea bass. I'm gonna go for another quick one before my dad gets here. Should be here in a few minutes. Dude, again. Feels like a Hallie. It could be a white sea bass. Or some sort of bass. Yeah, another white sea bass. Wow, white sea bass is wide open, guys. Newport Beach, Newport Harbor. This is like my 10th white sea bass. Honestly, at this point, I'm not even gonna pick him up. I'm just gonna toss him straight back. Go back to where you came from. There he goes. Not even near the thing anymore. Can't even get my other lure down. I had another already. The lure's getting bit. It's probably a halibut I have on here, honestly. I don't even feel like I have bait on. I do not. Oh, I do. This is insanity. I haven't even been talking to you guys. I gotta shoot B-roll and everything. This is crazy. Never had a bite so insanely wide open before. Like every freaking cast. Dad has joined me. Say hello.
Hello.
Still unable to catch him, but I got him.
Hey now.
I know, man. Yeah, it is.
It's fast.
Yeah, this is a good sized spotty. This guy. That guy, so I can just grab his mouth without sticking my hand in front of the treble.
You don't want hooks in the hand anymore?
Nope. Damn, he's fat. Look at that.
Yeah.
There you go. Nice one. Ah, my leg. He's a size spotty. All right, kiss him, send it back. I know. These things are so expensive. Like over 100K. Yep. Decent one. Hallie, maybe? Oh, no, white sea bass? Oh, nice spotty. Damn, even bigger spotty. I know.
Belly on those things.
Yeah, because they're fucking eating all day. All right, let's see if I can just get him back real quick. There you go, another spotty. Come on, Dad, where you at? Shout out Reaper Slow Pitch.
Oh, something going. At the bottom or going?
Well, just reel it up, reel it up. Maybe tighten your drag a little bit. We're in the zone. Just pick up rod tip up and reel up. There you go. Oh. Yeah? Yeah, you got something. You got a Hallie. I can see it. Oh, good size Hallie. All right, just keep him in the water. Keep him in the water. Let me get this. Bring him over to me. Oh. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Stop it. Got him. All right, let me get him unhooked for you, and then we'll get a picture with you. Oh, he just sprayed me straight in the eyeballs. Stop biting me. All right, that's off. Give this one over to you. Look at that. He's got it on the halibut. All right.
No longer a zero.
No, wait, hold on. Let me do this. There you go. Nice little halibut. You want to throw him back?
Hold on, I want a photo.
Here, I can take it on here.
Just take it from your phone and send it to me.
There you go. All right, you got him? I can put him back. There you go. All right, well, bite's on, man. Hand me your pole. I'm gonna see if I can get you hooked up real quick. Yeah, it takes a little bit to like get used to how to run everything on this boat, you know? Mm-hmm. Like how everything is working and how to get good at it. You're gonna get a big one with this. And then a little like that. And then we're gonna do this. It's a little bit of a finagle. Oh, you're already getting bit. Take that, drop the bucket. I got it. And then we're just gonna drift. Remember, slow reel, don't set the hook. A lot of these things have softer mouths.
Yeah.
So it's better just to like that slow reel up. And then this one too, like I have a very light rod. So every time I'm doing this, I'm slow pulling to see if they grab it. It's kind of an awkward spot, huh? I'm gonna go over you. Go over. Up and over. Yeah. There you go, buddy. Oh, you got something big. All right, don't reel, let it run, let it run. Give it time. Look at this guy. Catching the big ones. All right, let me see. Let it come to us. Oh, big barracuda. I don't know if I'm gonna get grippers on this guy. That's a big barracuda. All right, let him, oh, there he goes. He bit you off.
Oh, bastard.
You wanna tie it on or you want me to?
I want you to.
Swivel to a monofilament leader. 4, 5,
What knot are you using?
6, 7. Just a regular fisherman's knot. It's the improved clinch knot, officially. Apparently I've gotten really good at tying these,
Apparently.
huh? Remember when you used to have to tie all of them for me?
I used to tie them for you.
And now it didn't even...
Angle a rod and tie it for your sister.
Yep.
And then...
All right, don't drop yet. Let's see if we can get a quick little turnaround here.
Okay.
I'm just gonna try to slowly go with this guy. It's hard because that current's pushing so fast, so I have to give it some oomph just to...
Yeah.
Like in gear, we're just fighting the current.
Oh, the guys in the kayaks are just keep having to go back up.
I know. Like I'm in gear right now, we're not moving. Damn, that was probably the biggest cuda I've seen in the harbor.
Yeah.
It was a good one. All right, we're gonna make this a bit of a longer drift this time. Because I'm gonna have to get a new GoPro battery in here in a minute. Oh, he's gonna snap his rod over there. Oh. All right, dropping in, out of gear. Give me your hook. Are you? I just saw one of y'all swimming around. There he is. This guy. Off to do. All right, cast it out there. Get a big one, buddy. Just keep the line tight.
Huh? Oh.
Keep the line tight. Yep, just reel. Just reel. Damn, now you're getting all of them. Good. Keep that line tight. Yes, sir. Hooked up again. Oh, nice sand bass. All right, hold that.
Another fatty. Oh, he's barely on there.
Nah, he's on there decent. Bring it over here. That one you might be able to take home if you wanted to.
Not today.
All right.
Unless you want.
Nah. You want a picture with this one?
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect. You're good to release. You have to push the thumb thing.
Oh.
Reel. Dude, how? Every frickin' cast now. That's a bass. Looks like it. Oh, maybe that's a sea bass. That's a white sea bass. Bring it, let him down a little bit. Please tell me you didn't swallow this. Honestly, fuck you. Damn it, dude. Did you swallow it? Yeah, you fucking swallowed it. Well, retying you off again.
Good thing you're the fishing guy.
There you go. White sea bass. You got all of the species I've gotten too. There you go. Get one on this. There you go. Looking good, Padre. Nice white sea bass. That purpley color on him. So pretty. All right, you can release him.
So that's called a Carolina rig?
Mm-hmm. Essentially, it's just a sinker. You can have like Carolina rig stoppers, but honestly, the swivel does it good. It's good enough. I'm gonna have you throw one out real quick, and then while I do some adjustments. See my dad get a freaking giant right now. Still haven't caught shit.
Oh, you get a giant.
I'd like to. I'm not even using bait.
Oh.
Yeah, ready?
Something just...
Yes, sir. Damn. Hold on. Is that a fish or the bottom?
I don't know.
Is it fighting?
Not yet. It was, but now it's not.
Yeah, that's a fish. That's a fish. Keep it going. Maybe he just took you under a rock or something? Oh yeah, a little spotty. Damn it, dude. Did you swallow the hook too? I'm gonna freaking murder you guys.
Maybe.
Open up. Yeah, he did, but I'm not freaking... I'm gonna have to retie your whole setup if I do that. No. Let's see if I can... There you go. Alright. Honestly, we're gonna give you one of the dead ones and see if you can make something with that. You just have to reel him a little more. Like, kind of give him some of their action.
Yeah.
You're the king now. I shouldn't have talked any smack, dude. White sea bass. Look at you. Freaking professional over here. All right, stop. Over your shit already. No photo?
Sure. Just, how's their teeth?
Teethy. Don't teeth him.
Don't teeth them?
So if you're gonna do it, I mean, actually, I'm gonna throw him back. He's bleeding. There's no point. I mean, unless he was giant, then and you're gonna keep him. All right, let's move. All right, we're gonna go for something bold.
Huh?
We're gonna go for something bold.
Oh, yeah?
I'm literally just gonna go straight at this dock. Or you can cast right behind you. All right, I need one.
Yes, you
I keep getting smacked. Come on, Dad, let's get a double. Oh. Oh man, I keep getting hit. Yes. Doubles. Oh, you know what? I'll take that. Nice. These guys, you can grab them, but
This thing?
nah. Everyone's on him today. Decent way, sea bass.
Nice.
Dude, I just want a big one right now. My sea bass bite's up though. Just careful. There you go, buddy. You stuck?
That must drifting. Oh,
You might have been stuck.
might be stuck.
Dude, this thing on the drop.
Huh?
I'm getting hit like every time I do that and I let it drop. Look, see? Damn it. All right, shall we? Before you get all casted out. Damn, yeah. Reaper Jigs, go check them out. They're working very, very well at the moment. I did not want to fucking sell that guy one of the jigs at the dock. I have like 7 of them.
Yeah.
I have anywhere between 30 gram all the way up down to 10, and they work so well.
Yeah.
Well, I've heard only good things about them. Like, everyone is like, dude, the Reaper slow pitch are like the way to go. And I went to like this tackle meet thing that Carissa was like, I just saw a bunch of fishing dudes, you know, like a swap meet for fish.
Yeah.
And which was sick. I just saw big barracuda. And yeah, I was like, all right, that's interesting. You know, like I'm gonna go check it out. So I went and checked it out, and the guy that makes them was there, and his name, I don't remember what his name was, but super cool guy, super nice. He's like, this is what you're gonna do, like blah blah blah, like, you know, trust me, it works, kind of thing. And then I was like, all right, bet, like, you know, let's give it a shot. And I have not had any success on these things, but I mean, honestly, I've been fishing a lot of live bait. And then today I was like, you know what? Like, I'm gonna get live bait for you and me. And, you know, if I'll have my extra rod and we'll use that with the Reaper jig and see if it works. Dude, this thing has been outperforming people with a live bait too today. It's insane. I wanna get a big Hallie. Damn, son. All right, well, fine. Guess I'll help you out then. Insanity. Can't even enjoy my own fishing, dude. You're doing too good.
You invited me.
I know. Mistakes. All right, that little white sea bass. Oh, big spotty. Look at that, man.
Wow.
Give me this guy. Bring him over. That is probably the biggest spotty I've seen in a while. God, I gotta pee and this is not helping. Oh man, why do you always gut up? Let's see if we can get him off. Stop. That's gonna kill him. All right, well, cut it and take a quick photo and get out of here. What? Oh, that's a bass, gotta be. Can you get your line up? Or at least, nah, it should be fine actually. Yeah, just pull it that way, that's fine. Yeah, I called that one. I felt him hit like a train. Pitch, stop. Damn, son, what did you do?
You guys do live bait?
A little bit of both.
Yeah.
I got these slow pitch jigs and they're working real well. Dude, what?
So you can't get them off.
Yeah.
It's heavy, man.
It's crazy. It's full moon. That's why. I'm sorry, Mr. Bass. This does not want to come out of your jaw. Well, he got screwed up, so kiss him, send him back real quick. It's all right.
There you go.
Dude, the spotties are out today. I mean, you guys both just had giant spotties right now. I was catching white sea bass every cast, and now I can't find them. They're all white. They're all spotties.
That guy just got a white sea bass.
Damn, look at that. Nice white sea bass. What?
You should chill though.
Yeah, I think he's right though. That's a sand bass. I've just never seen him that big. Stop. Ow.
Get you?
Yeah, just a tad though, not bad. I'll put you back, don't you worry. Dude, you are so slimy. Just calm down. Calm your teeth. Promise you I'm not gonna hurt you. Just wanna get you unhooked and put you back. Come on. Come on. Come on.
We should see if Pete Turner would do a podcast with you on fishing.
Yeah?
And maybe if you can add like video clips to it and things like that.
Go.
Talk about the different types of fishing. Stuff in Minnesota, talk about catching the one in Australia.
Yeah.
You know, something like that.
Mm-hmm. It'll be a fun one. I just feel like I'm not the professional though. I do a decent job, but I'm no professional.
Yeah, but
Yes, sir. Oh, Hallie.
hey,
Finally, we got a legal, or not a legal halibut, but a halibut. All right, bring her over. Oh,
barely, huh?
yeah, he missed the bait. He's not even hooked in the fucking, God damn it. Look at that, you hooked him in the face, not even the mouth. All right, buddy, just calm down. You're fine. Get you out of here.
Did you get a picture of a Hallie yet?
Do you? I don't know.
I did.
I think you did. I think you got a better one than that, but smile. Beautiful. All right, look at that. Another halibut in the buck.
Got me a bucket fish.
Bucket fish coming right up. This bite's starting to die off though. I know. Almost 10, 5 to 10. Makes sense. Oh, speak of the devil. White sea bass.
Got one too.
Oh, 10 o'clock, actually.
He's got a fish. Oh, he just baits alive still.
See that guy's halibut?
Yeah, he just pulled a nice one up. Dude, I've yet to get one that's a keeper out of here yet. No, I just get it like within an inch. I got a 21 today, or almost 21.
Yeah, I got I pulled 2 out of these.
There you go. Another little slimy white sea bass. Bye. That's where he was going anyways.
He said, I want to go home.
Fantastic day fishing. I don't even know how many we caught.
I have zero
and how
idea.
Many species, at least 5 or 6.
Yeah, barracuda, sand bass,
White sea bass,
halibut. I think
spotties.
that's it. Yeah, pretty much. All right, guys. I'm just wrapping up a freaking crazy day of fishing. And that was probably one of the best fishing days I think I've ever had. Unfortunately, I'm still not hitting my goal. My goal was to get a target the halibut or anything that's a keeper size. I've had a lot of success in catching, but nothing that is gonna fill the cooler. So yeah, please stay tuned, keep up, like and subscribe, it always helps. Appreciate you guys watching these videos. It means a lot to me. I'm trying to grow this following and staying in touch. Yeah, stay tuned. Just a little side note, I actually lost some of the footage due to corrupted files, but was still able to get this many fish from this day. Thank you so much for staying tuned for this fun adventure. Got to take my dad out on the boat. Got on a ton of fish. I mean, you guys got to enjoy, so I really appreciate everything. I appreciate you guys watching, following, subscribing. Still, like I said, looking for that keeper. We're getting there. We're getting on fish. We're doing a good work, but it's all about that one time when you get that one fish that does it. And for next time, I think I'm gonna be taking the boat out of the harbor. Granted, hopefully we have good weather. It's kind of meh today. So hopefully we can get out of the harbor on some maybe bigger fish if we can get out there. Yes, thanks for watching again. Peace out, enjoy your fishing. It's all about having fun.